What's going on, guys? I'm Martin and welcome to my backyard kitchen. I've been wanting to have one of these spots for the longest time, so finally we decided to build it. All built ourselves, myself and my brother. We did it in probably about 4 days. Got a nice 3x3 meter base, decking floor, got a nice corrugated roof to protect us from the falling pears and from the rain. And we got a lovely wooden countertop where we're going to be making pizzas, we're going to be smoking stuff, we're going to have a induction so we can cook in the pots and pans as well. So let me grab the camera and show you up close what we got going on. So we got a really nice looking countertop, all done ourselves. Beautiful finish. Check this out. Check this, my favorite bit. Ooh, how cool is that? Just going around the tree. We got space for our utensils and everything else that we need to. We got our Gosney pizza oven, Gosney arc, just heating up slowly. Gonna be banging out some really nice pizzas, grilled vegetables, all sort of things. And we got the big boy, the Pit Boss Austin XL, where we got our pallet smoker. We got some ribs going on at the moment. Take a peek. Ooh, the smell is just incredible. It's amazing. I was going to record from start to finish the whole building process and everything, but it was really hot those days and my phone just kept overheating, so I could not record that. But here are some images and little footage of what I did manage to capture of what it looked like before and obviously where we are now. And there you have it, my backyard kitchen, where we're gonna be cooking some really nice pizzas, grilled vegetables, pies, all sorts of pastry type related things in the Gosney. And we're gonna be smoking some great meats in the Austin XL. We're also gonna have induction where we're gonna be cooking in pots and pans and doing stews and braised meats and all sorts of things that you can imagine. Very simple cooking, very easy, delicious food, nothing too complicated that you cannot do yourself at home. Basically backyard cooking, you know. Everything that I'll be showing you, you'll be able to do yourselves, either on the barbecue or indoors on the stove. Thanks to everyone that's been already watching. Thank you to everyone that's the newcomers, and I hope you enjoy the content. Please subscribe and I'll be pumping out a lot more banging content. I'll see you in the next video. Backyard cooking.